Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to add a highlight on Instagram without posting a story. Watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. The first step is to make your profile private. If it's private, you are ready for the next step. But if it's not private, open Instagram, go to your profile, tap on the menu, tap on settings, tap on privacy and turn on the private account option. Now you have to manually adjust the story's privacy settings and hide it from all of your followers. Go back to the settings, tap on privacy, tap on story, tap on hide the story from. Now you have to select all followers manually. After selecting, tap on the back button. You should now upload stories as usual. Nobody will be able to see it because you have hidden it from all of your followers. Once your stories have been updated, move them to highlights. Tap the highlight icon at the bottom of your story. Select an existing highlight or create a new one. When the story is automatically moved to the archives after 24 hours, unhide everyone. This is how you can add stories to the highlights without anyone seeing them. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.